Hi everybody, it's your girl Yvette here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It's been a while since I've made a video, and that is just because I've been extremely busy. Not just with work, but I've also enrolled myself in a nutrition course. After the end of my studies, I will be able to sit for a certification, but I would have to work alongside like a registered dietitian. So this is not like a degreed program. The reason why I'm doing it is not necessarily for something that I want to do for work, but it's more about learning how to properly nourish my body. Because the older that I get, I feel like my body is still going through all these massive changes. I know nothing about nutrition, like the real science part of it, like enzymes and hormones and insulin and ATP and catabolism and anabolism and all of this stuff that years ago I learned a little bit about it, but this time I'm like trying to really get into the nitty-gritty of it all. And it's a lot of information, and I'm still like stuck in the science part of like mitochondria and stuff. It's a lot, and I want to make sure that I really learn it, because I just don't want to be like half-assing it out there with just knowing some things but not the science behind it. So I've been doing that. As far as exercising, I'm exercising on a regular basis. I now don't do so much cardio. I do a lot of walking. I'm trying to get in between anywhere like 10,000 to 19 to 20,000 steps a day. I am still lifting weights, but I haven't lost any weight. As a matter of fact, I've gained a few pounds. I've been trying to socialize, but I don't know what's going on with me. I've never been socially awkward. I've never been afraid to meet new people, but it has been increasingly harder for me to be more social. I forced myself into some situations and they were just so uncomfortable. I was like, no, I think actually I am now becoming a loner, which is not healthy, especially when you get older. You really need to have that social interaction with people and be in communion with others. I'm just not liking hanging out with people. It just doesn't feel safe, and I always feel disappointed. It's a whole psychological trip that I'll have to figure out. And is there anything else that I can think about right now to share with you guys? No, I can't think of anything now, but like I said, I will be back. If I didn't say this before, I will be back probably after the 4th of July. I will try to come back sooner, but if not, you will see me after the 4th of July to make videos on a regular basis. So yeah, that's it for now, and I will see you guys soon. I hope you all are well. Bye bye.